Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use RayCast in Unity Engine. As you can see in our scene here, I have the plane with 3 cubes, and this will be our character control. Each of these cubes have a color and a special name, like red cube, blue cube, so we can tell them apart. Now let's start by how to use our Ray. Now I'm going to show you how we can make a RayCast and interact with these cubes. I'm going to create a new script. Now what I want to do here is very simple. I declared the variable of our camera because we want our camera to be the starting point of our raycast. Now this is basically all what we need to do. We are going to use our raycast hit to store information of the game object that our ray has hit. We are going to send a ray from our camera, and this ray might hit a game object. We're going to need the information of that game object, or it might hit nothing. That means nothing will happen in this. I'm going to show you a simple example. Now what I did here, that when our ray hits a game object, we're going to take the name of that game object using our raycast hit. And in the update, simply whenever I click the mouse button 0, in this case the left mouse button, we're going to actually call the function. So we're going to send a raycast. Allow me to show you. Now I'm going to assign our script to the player. I'm going to assign our camera. And let's test this out. And as you can see, we can now see in the log the name of the game object that the raycast hit. If I go to the red cube, it says red cube. To the blue cube, it simply goes to the blue cube. Now if I actually send the raycast out to nothing, simply nothing is gonna happen because our ray hit nothing. Now if you want, you can make an else statement if the raycast hit nothing. Another example what we can do with our raycast, we can measure the distance between our player and the hit game object. For example, as you can see, I can now see the distance between our player and the game object that the raycast hit. The more far I go, the more distance will be. And yes, this is simple as it is. The raycast isn't complicated at all. It's very simple as that, and you can do many things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and would like to see you next time.